Other new arrivals, how about the 1930 Ford Model A Tudor sedan?
Mm-hmm.
Ford used those at nomenclature for two-door sedans, Tudor, T-U-D-O-R,
Right.
four-door, Forder, so F-O-R-D-O-R.
Yeah, it's a little confusing,
It's
actually.
a little confusing. So black over brown, highly original example, got the venerable 201 cubic inch four-cylinder, 3-speed manual. But this is a drivable project, what we were just talking about a few minutes ago, where you can enjoy it and drive it for a couple of years, have fun with it. And Model A's are cool. I'm sorry. They are so cool. They're not fast. They're not valuable. They don't corner well. They don't do anything really particularly outstanding, but they're just cool. And such a representation of what the hobby is, and to go and experience a Model A and to drive it and to live with it for a period of time, not as your daily driver, obviously, but just to enjoy it on the weekends. It's a lot of fun. And if you have the right mindset, it's like anything. I always say you can hit the apex of the corner in your minivan,
right?
So same with the Model A. I mean, if you appreciate the history, a 1930 Ford Model A is very close, 5 model years almost away from being 100
years old.